Hello, what's up everyone? Here is Salem from Stereo 007 at YouTube. Welcome everyone to this new tutorial about XML. XML is just extensible markup language. You know, the markup language is known in other languages like HTML, and HTML is hypertext markup language. So what's the difference? Both are markup language. Why this XML is called extensible? You know, extensible is something more bigger, something more with more flexibility, and this is known as XML. In XML you can declare your own tags, your own kind and classes in XML, but in HTML you should follow the structure and the naming strategy in the HTML. So this is a big difference. So I want to introduce and we want to explain more about XML, but I want to give you a quick and a significant difference between these two languages, HTML and XML. So if you want to see this website, okay, this is just, you see this move. This is written in HTML, and if you want to view the source file, so we can view the source. Here we go. We can see HTML head. The head is hacked by Ahmed Nasser, and we can move that down, and you can see the title, which is hacked by Ahmed Nasser. So this is just a title, so what we wrote that here, that is converted to the shape of the shape, and the shape of the page is known here. So anything you wrote in HTML gonna be seen in the HTML page, okay? But there's a difference between XML and HTML. What you wrote if you want to write something in XML, that is not gonna be seen in as a style. So the big difference between XML and HTML is that HTML is just a reflection of the style, the decoration of the page, but XML is describing of the data, okay? Just explain and describe the data, okay? This is the big difference between these two languages. So I don't want to speak for a long time here, just begin in action. So the first thing I want to make is just make a quick example how to create an XML file, and how to save it, and how to connect that XML file in action, how to insert data, to delete data, and also all that stuff. So the first thing I want you to do is just go to Notepad. We can see here Notepad++, double click, you will open this new page. So I want you to go to File and Save As, and choose from the menu. You can go if you want to see that. So you can choose XML markup language, as you can see here. And just name a file to be db.xml, and save that file in your project. I want to use Autoplay Media Studio, so go to Autoplay Media Studio and docs, save that file here, save. So you can see here we got a new empty file. So the first thing, if we want to make an XML file, is just declare the version and the declaration. So the first thing just I want you to do is just write bigger and smaller and bigger sign, and inside that you just put XML, okay? This is just the declaration. Inside declaration you should define the version to be 1.0. so this is one of the basic steps that you need to make. After that we gotta starting doing our actions. So the first thing I want to make the following thing. I want to make a database for an XML database for friends, okay, friends. So the first thing I want to just give you what I want to exactly do. So I just want to use my pen tablet to explain that for you. So here we go. I have friends. Okay, and friends are many friends. Are many friends. So it consists of friend. Okay, friend. So okay, each friend has okay, of course, has let's say a phone, and of course has a name. So the same thing applied here, and same thing applied here, same thing applied here, same thing applied here. So this is what I want to convert. I want to convert this structure to this XML. Okay, how can I do that? Okay, the first thing you need to do is just make tags. Okay, define tags. So I tell you friends and end it with friends. Okay, this is just our tags, and each the friends list consists of friend. Okay, so I just want to put friend and friend in their tags friend. So I want to explain some conditions here. Each tag should contain or consist of the starting tag and the end tag. So they must be the same name, must not start with numbers and other characters, just letters. And this is one of the condition, and you should not mix the joining of the tags. So each one should be independent. Okay, as you say here, this is end friend, end with friend, friends. So there's no join between you. I mean that you should not put something like this. Okay, so you should end each one separately. Okay, so this is the first friend. I have other friend. Okay, let's start with the first friend. The first friend has, as I said, has name, and we end the name, and also has what? Has phone. So let's put phone and end that with phone. Okay, phone number, but name it, let's say Salam, and the phone is 0. Okay, wow. Okay, this number, and this is just okay. And make sure to end that with a friend. We have other friend, let's say put here down, paste, give Sally. I'm lazy, I don't wanna. Okay, just give a number, like that. Good number. She paid a lot for this number. So anyway, we got this XML file. So just save it, and we want to move to the next step. So close that, minimize it, and just go to Autoplay Media Studio. So get this new empty one. Okay, we got a grid layout or a grid panel. So we got an empty workstation or an empty work. Okay, just go properties, and okay, the first thing that we need to do is just load the XML file. Okay, just load the XML file. So these steps we gonna make it in the tutorial number 2. So thank you for watching, and here's Salam. I'm just waiting for you for watching the next tutorial part 2. Thank you very much.